Welcome back to this video. If you use Alipay app, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply clear cache in order to boost performance in Alipay. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Alipay app. I'm going to click on here to open up my Alipay app. After you open up your Alipay app, next thing you need to do is to click on this icon right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon from the top corner right here. Click on that. Then it take you right here. Then go to General. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to Manage Storage right here. Click on that. Then it's going to open up like so. Then right here you have Alipay Cache. So what you need to do is to simply click on Manage. So about 47.7 cache right here. Click on Manage. Then here we go. We have cache for mini app. Select on that. Cache for video and other. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Clear right here. And then do you want to confirm clearing selected cache? Click on Confirm. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Alipay app. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.